In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Attio for agencies. We're starting on the Attio homepage, and the first thing we want to do is create a list. Click the plus icon to begin. In this example, we're building an agency sales pipeline, and this is important because a sales pipeline gives your agency a clear system for tracking prospects from first contact all the way to a closed deal. It helps you stay organized, spot bottlenecks, and make sure no opportunity slips through the cracks. When the options appear, choose Start from Scratch. For the object, select Companies. This means your list will be built around the businesses you're selling to, which is a natural fit for most agencies managing client accounts. Name the list Agency Sales Pipeline, then click Create List. Next, switch the list to Kanban view. Kanban is especially useful for agencies because it gives you a visual, drag-and-drop style pipeline. You can quickly see where every deal stands. Enter the title, New Deals, set the attribute to Status, and confirm. This creates the structure that your pipeline will use to sort deals by stage. Now click the plus icon to add stages. Stages matter because they define your sales process and make reporting more accurate. Add New Lead first, which captures fresh opportunities coming into your pipeline. Then add Discovery Call, which represents the stage where you're learning about the prospect's goals and needs. After that, add Proposal Sent for deals that have moved into a formal offer. Next, add Negotiation Sent to track deals that are being discussed or revised before closing. Then add Won for clients who sign, and finally add Lost for opportunities that don't move forward. Having both won and lost stages gives your agency a complete picture of performance. Once your pipeline is ready, go to the Company Profile area and open Account Settings. From there, go to Data, then Objects, and click New Custom Object. This is where we'll create a Projects object. Custom objects are helpful for agencies because they let you track operational work separately from sales, so you can manage both client acquisition and service delivery inside the same system. Enter projects as the plural noun, and project as the singular noun, then create the object. Open Attributes and click Create Attribute. Add project name and set the constraint to required, then create it. Create another attribute called Client, also set as required, then add budget, change its type to number, set it to required, and create it. After that, add start date, then create it, and add due date, then create it as well. Finally, create a relationship to link projects to clients. Set project to companies, and use client as the associated attribute name in projects. Then configure it as a one-to-one client relationship in companies. At this point, you've created a sales pipeline, built a project's custom object, added key attributes, and connected projects to client companies so your agency can track both deals and delivery in one place. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more.